There's plenty of videos on the practicalities of beginning to trade. But how do you trade and always profit?
I like this video already.
There are so many videos out there already showing you all the different graphs and trading patterns. Listen to as many as you can. Get all the knowledge you can. But in this video, we're going to get to the simple truth to help you make the money.
Terrific! Just what the doctor ordered.
There are only two ways your investment will go, up or down. A bull attacks by thrusting its head up,
Up!
while the bear attacks by swiping his arm down.
Down!
There's also two primary ways to make money in crypto, beef or dairy farming. Are you going to milk your cows on a regular basis, day trading like a dairy cow, and take a regular profit?
So if I want to be a dairy farmer and make $100 a day, that must mean I need to invest $3,000 to make a 3% profit. Of course, the more I invest, the easier it is to make that money. But the more I stand to lose. I learned that at Bitcoin school.
Or are you going to fatten your investments up like a beef cow and wait?
Hodl, man.
You gotta know so you can make the dough.
The golden rule, whatever option you choose, is to buy low and sell high. I'll just go over that rule again. Buy low
Low.
and sell high.
Hi.
That means that when the market goes up, you get excited. It's your time to sell and make profit. And when the markets are plunging and everyone's panicking, you get excited. Everything is on sale. It's your time to buy and make your future profit.
I've been working on deducing the patterns. Look, there's the wedge, the bull flag, the head and shoulders, the rocket, the I haven't got a clue what I'm doing pattern. They all look the same to me pattern. Buy low, sell high. Good sense at last.
There are many tutorials on all the types of patterns out there. But if they all work that well, how come 90% of traders lose money? Of course, we need to do our due diligence. Research the coin or token. What are you buying? What are its advantages? Who's the team behind it?
Do they look nerdy enough?
Keep in mind that you're in crypto at the right time. You're an early adopter. And ultimately, remember the golden rule to trading and always making profit. Buy low and sell high.
It's time to panic. It's time to panic. Don't panic.